Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Rode Wireless Pro. A premium wireless microphone system designed for professional broadcast and video production. Let's kick things off with an overview of what the Rode Wireless Pro brings to the table. It's marketed as a high-end solution with features like 32-bit float recording, timecode synchronization, and substantial onboard storage, making it a contender in the professional audio space. Moving on to design and build quality, the Rode Wireless Pro follows a compact and utilitarian design similar to other Rode wireless mics. It features a robust build with threaded lavalier input mounts, ensuring secure connections and minimizing unwanted noise from cable movement. Now, let's talk about the user interface. The RX unit sports a small screen for level monitoring and settings adjustment. However, navigating through settings using the onboard controls can feel cumbersome compared to competitors like the DJI Mic 2, which offers more intuitive touch controls and a jog wheel. One of the standout features of the Rode Wireless Pro is its 32-bit float recording capability, providing a wide dynamic range that's ideal for post-production flexibility. It also includes a safety track feature, recording a backup track at -10 decibels to ensure usable audio in case of unexpected loud noises. Let's discuss the companion apps and software next. The Rode Central app, available on both iOS and Android, allows some control over settings like gain assist, but for deeper adjustments and file management, you'll need to use the desktop version. This setup can be a bit restrictive compared to competitors that offer more comprehensive mobile app functionalities. Now, onto the most crucial aspect, audio quality. The Rode Wireless Pro delivers exceptional audio performance, making it an excellent choice for interviews and studio shoots. The safety features ensure clean audio even in challenging recording environments, which is a big plus for professionals. Speaking of performance, the Rode Wireless Pro boasts a solid battery life of up to 7 hours, extendable to 22 hours with the charging case. This longevity is great for long recording sessions without needing frequent recharges. Wrapping up, the Rode Wireless Pro stands out as a top-tier option for professionals seeking reliable wireless audio solutions. Despite a few usability quirks, its performance and feature set make it a solid investment for serious content creators and filmmakers. That's it for today's review of the Rode Wireless Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.